This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Jen Freeman and Leah Cruz. Standalone homes for $400,000 are becoming increasingly hard to find. Don't miss your chance to own this charmer for less than the going rental rates. Popular 3-bedroom / 2-bathroom floor plan with the primary suite tucked away privately from the other bedrooms plus 2 separate bonus spaces. Updated kitchen features on trend white cabinetry, breakfast bar and newer stainless steel appliances. The Easy Care laminate flooring, vaulted ceilings and wood-burning fireplace strike a warm and inviting tone. Spacious 9,000+ square foot lot features an outbuilding and backyard ideal for gardening or entertaining. Fantastic location just minutes to the Birch Bay beaches and the new berm and walking path. For more information, review the details below or contact Jen Freeman and Leah Cruz at 360-815-0803.